What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5-gallon water dispensers available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. Brio Self-Cleaning Water Cooler Dispenser. Packed with top-notch features for the ultimate convenience, the Brio Self-Cleaning Water Cooler Dispenser is our premium choice pick. Not only does it offer excellent performance and great features, but it's also a sleek-looking appliance that won't ruin the looks of your home. One of our favorite things about this dispenser is the ozone self-cleaning feature. No more disassembling and sanitizing your water dispenser, just press a button and let the Brio dispenser clean itself, saving you time and hassle. Another convenient feature is the bottom-loading water jug design. Just set the water jug in the bottom and the dispenser is ready to go. If you have children, you'll be happy about the child safety lock on the hot water that protects your kids from accidentally getting burned. Other small features also make your life a little better, like 3 separate temperatures to choose from or the night light that makes it easy to see what you're doing when you go for a drink in the middle of the night. Just keep in mind that you'll be paying a premium for all these features. But if have the money to spare, the convenience is hard to beat. Number 2. Primo Top-Loading Water Dispenser. If you're looking for a water cooler that won't be an eyesore in your home or office, this model from Primo is as sleek as they come. It's available in stainless steel or black stainless finish, and its bottom-loading design keeps the water jug hidden from sight. With the Primo top-loading water cooler, you can choose between instant ice-cold, cool, and piping hot water anytime you want it. It gives you 3 separate water taps so you can have all 3 temperatures at once. Considering the affordable price this cooler is available for, we were impressed that it included this feature. We also like the nice looks of this device. It's got a stainless steel and black appearance that works in almost any kitchen. But it's pretty flimsy and doesn't feel solid. Worse, once you put the jug on top, the whole thing is pretty top-heavy and feels like it's going to tip over. When we first started using this dispenser, there was a strong plastic taste in the water. It did go away, but it took an entire 5-gallon jug to flush it out. And no matter what we did, we couldn't get the ice-cold tap to give us truly cold water. Number 3. Giantex Primo Home Water Cooler Dispenser. For anyone on a budget, this Giantex Primo Home Water Cooler Dispenser offers an impressive value at an affordable cost. It's still got all the features you need. Nothing was left off to keep the price low. For instance, there's an easy-to-use security lock on the hot water dispenser to protect your children from accidentally getting burned. This dispenser features a detachable water barrel seat. This makes it easy to disassemble for cleaning and disinfecting. Plus, it's an anti-dust mite design, ensuring that no contaminants can reach your water, keeping it healthy for you and your family. The drawback we noticed was the slow rate of water dispensing. It takes quite a while to fill up your cup, but for the price, we can deal with the slightly slower fill rate. Overall, we think it's the best water cooler dispenser for the money and highly recommend it to anyone looking for the best value possible. Number 4. Avalon Limited Edition Water Cooler Dispenser. Sleek and stylish with durable stainless steel construction, this Avalon Limited Edition Water Cooler Dispenser was our favorite of them all. It's packed with useful features that make it a welcome addition to any home. For instance, you get 3 temperatures to choose from: cold, cool, or piping hot. Even better, this dispenser is self-cleaning. It sanitizes and purifies itself, preventing any harmful bacteria or germs from accumulating. One nice thing about this dispenser is the bottom-loading design. No more lugging that heavy bottle up to the top of the machine and risking a major spill as you flip the bottle upside down to get it in the hole. Instead, you just set the bottle right side up at the bottom of the dispenser. This convenient feature was one of our favorites. On the downside, the compressor motor on this dispenser is very loud. It became the loudest appliance in the kitchen, even louder than the fridge. but we're willing to forgive the noise because of all the extra features like the built-in nightlight that makes it easy to get water when it's dark, or the empty bottle indicator that alerts you when it's time to replace the water. Number 5. Primo hTRIO Water Dispenser. This bottom-loading dispenser is one of the few reasonably priced dispensers that can do K-cups or compatible coffee pods, not Nespresso pods. The slot can take 6, 8, or 10-ounce pods, so you can control the brew strength, and the top tray holds 20 pods. Like most other K-cup makers or Keurigs, you can also use a disposable filter if you want to save on waste. One thing worth pointing out is that you have to wait about 3 or so minutes after pulling 2 shots, so it's not so great for back-to-back cups. Apart from making coffee, this machine will dispense hot and cold water. On the other hand, there's no option for room temperature water. People by and large have a positive experience with this dispenser, and it's also Energy Star rated with a UL listing for electrical safety. It is available in 2 colors, this more popular black color, and one in black and stainless steel. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.